Hello students, today we start our lecture with the same chapter, first order ordinary differential equation, okay, with the topic homogeneous differential equation. Now let's start with the step to solve homogeneous differential equation. First, if we have given first order and first degree ordinary differential equation, dy by dx is equal to m, which is function of xy, and n, which is function of xy. This is the homogeneous differential equation. For solving this equation, let us assume y is equal to vx. Now the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx, where the derivative of x is 1, so we keep it same, plus the derivative of v is dv by dx, where x keep it same. This is the next step. For now, substitute the value of dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx in the place of the given differential equation of dy by dx. So here v plus x dv by dx in the place of dy by dx is equal to mx. In the place of y, we have to substitute vx, and again in the function of x, in the place of y, we again substitute vx. By simplifying this, we get only function of v. Okay, now the next step is x dv by dx is equal to function of v minus v. Now uh, solve this equation as variable separable method, as you know, which we learned in the previous lecture, right? Now we have to separate both the variable. With dv, function of v, and with dx, function of x. Here we separate both the variable and now integrate both the side. By integration both the side, we get the solution. Okay, now let's understand this method with one example. Solve x in the bracket of x minus y dy plus y square dx is equal to 0. Okay, first, how we recognize the given differential equation is homogeneous? For this, for that, we have to check the power of each term should be same. Here, the power of first term is x into x, that is x square. So, power of first term is 2. Now, x into y. So, power of x is 1, power of y is 1, 1 and 1, 2. So, the power of first term is 2, power of second term is 2, and the third term, y square. So, again, the power of third term is 2. So, here, each term has same power. That's why our given differential equation is homogeneous. Now, we have to solve this homogeneous first order and first degree differential equation. For that, our rearrange this differential equation in the form of dy by dx is equal to minus y square upon x into x, that is x square minus xy. Here this our numerator is m of xy and the denominator is n of xy. Okay, so this is our first step. Now in the second step, we have to assume y is equal to vx. Then the derivative of dy by dx plus vx plus dv by dx. Now substitute the value of dy by dx in the given differential equation. So in the place of dy by dx, we substitute v plus x dv by dx is equal to, in the place of y, we write vx, that is minus v square x square. In the denominator, x square keep it same, minus x, and in the place of y, we write vx. Okay, in the here x minus vx square, by x square minus vx square, so we keep x square as common. By simplifying, we get minus v square upon 1 minus v. Now x plus dv by dx is equal to minus v square upon 1 minus v. We put this v in the right hand side, so we get minus v. by simplifying this term, v square minus v into 1 minus v whole divided by 1 minus v, we get minus v upon 1 minus v. So x into dv by dx is equal to minus v upon 1 minus v. We can write it as v upon v minus 1 also. Now rearrange this equation as v minus 1 upon v into dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, here we arrange this equation as a variable separable method with dv function of v and with dx function of x. Now for solving this equation, here we divide individually. So v by v is 1 minus 1 upon v and integrate both the side. So 1 minus 1 upon v dv is equal to dx by x. Here both variables are separate. So integrating both the side, we get integration of 1 is v, integration of 1 upon v is log v, integration of 1 upon x is log x, and here we take our constant as log c. So here v is equal to here we are using rules of logarithm. So log x plus log c we can write as log cx. We put minus log v in the right hand side, that is plus log v. So v is equal to plus log v plus log cx. Here v log v in plus log cx, again we apply here the rule of logarithm, that is log cxv. Now if we put here in the place of v y by x, because earlier we assumed that y is equal to vx, so v is equal to y by x, and in the place of x into v we write here y. Okay, so by simplifying, y is equal to x log cy. This is our final answer. Okay, students, this is the homogeneous differential equation solution. Okay, if we have given non-homogeneous differential equations, okay, if dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2, if this is our non-homogeneous differential equation, and if we want to solve this type of equations, there are two cases. First case is if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. What is a1? A1 is a multiple of x. What is a2? A2 is again multiple of x, where the b1 is the multiple of y, which is in numerator, and b2 is the multiple of y, which is in denominator. If the ratio of the a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then that is known as case 1. But if the ratio of a1 by a2 not equal to ratio of b1 by b2, then that is case 2. Okay, so let's start how to solve case 1. So this is the step for solving case 1. See, this is our non-homogeneous differential equation. Here, this is case 1. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to m. Okay, for solving this equation, we have to assume a1 is equal to a2m and here b1 is equal to b2m. Now dy by dx is equal to, we have to substitute in the place of a1 a2m and in the place of b1 b2m. By substituting this value in the given differential equation, we get this equation. Now putting a2x plus b2y is equal to t, and the derivative of this equation with respect to x, we get a2 plus b2 dy by dx is equal to dt by dx, and substitute all these value in the given differential in this equation, and then solve with the method of variable separable method. Okay, so let's start the case 1 with one example. Solve x plus y minus 1 dx plus 2x plus 2y minus 3 dy equal to 0. For solution of this equation, we rearrange the given differential equation as dy by dx is equal to minus x plus y minus 1 upon 2x plus 2y minus 3. Here minus sign, so we can write as minus x minus y plus 1 upon 2x plus 2y minus 3. Now a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to minus 1 now, because here our a1 is minus 1, which is a multiple of x in the numerator, and a2 is 2, which is a multiple of x in denominator. So minus 1 by 2. Same, b1 is the multiple of y in numerator, which is minus 1, and b2 is multiple of y in denominator, which is 2. So minus 1 by 2. Both are same. Okay, so this is case 1. As per the rule, here we assume that x plus y is equal to t. So 1 plus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. So the value of dy by dx is dt by dx minus 1. Now substituting this value in the equation, we get dy by dx is dt by dx minus 1. So dt by dx minus 1 is equal to, if we get minus sign common, x plus y, which is t. So minus t plus 1. If we get 2 common, so 2x plus y, which is 2t minus 3. Okay. Now by simplifying, dt by dx is equal to minus t plus 1 upon 2t minus 3 plus 1, because we keep this minus 1 in the right hand side, which is positive 1. Now by simplifying, we get dt by dx is equal to t minus 2 upon 2t minus 3. Students, now we have to use the variable separable method. For that, we keep the function of t with dt and function of x with dx. For that, we write 2t minus 3 upon t minus 2 into dt is equal to dx. Here both variable are separate. Now integrate both the side. But the integration is not easy. For that, we rearrange this term in the 2 plus 1 upon t minus 2. By simplifying, we get this term only. Okay, and the integration, the value of the both term are same, and the integration of this term is easy. So by integrating both the side, integration of 2 plus 1 upon t minus 2 dt is equal to integration of dx. So integration of 2 with respect to dt, that is 2t. Integration of 1 upon t minus 2, that is log t minus 2, is equal to x plus c. Now substitute the value of t, which is x plus y. So 2x plus y plus log x plus y minus 2 is equal to x plus c. Okay, now simplifying this equation, we get the final answer, which is x plus 2y plus log x plus y minus 2 is equal to c. Now for the second case, let's start with the step for solving the second case, which is little bit difficult. If the given differential equation is non-homogeneous, and let assume that here the ratio of a1 a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then you have to assume small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Substitute here small dx here dy, small dy by dx is equal to capital dy by dx, capital dx, because here h and k both are constant, and capital X and capital Y are variable. So this small x, which is variable, we represent this small x in the form of capital X with the help of this constant h. Similarly, we represent small y with the variable capital Y with the help of constant k. Now the small dy by dx is equal to capital dy by dx, and you have to substitute in the place of small x capital X plus h, and in the place of y capital Y plus k. Okay, now small dy by dx is equal to, if we rearrange these equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus a1h plus b1k plus c1. Similarly, in the denominator, a2x plus b2y, in the second bracket, a2h plus b2k plus c2. Students, here we keep the constant term in the second bracket, both numerator and denominator. Now this constant term we have to take as a 0. So a1h plus v1k plus c1, the term in the numerator, and a2h plus b2k plus c2 in the term in the denominator. Here we have to take both the bracket of the constant term, summation of the constant term we have to take as 0. Now so the remaining equation is dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y and a2x plus b2y, because the both term are 0, and then you have to solve these equation as the method of homogeneous equations. These are the steps for the non-homogeneous differential equation for case 2. Okay, so let's understand these steps with one example. Solve x plus 2y dx plus y minus 1 dy is equal to 0. First we have to check the given differential equation is homogeneous or not. So here the power of first term, x, power of x is 1. Power of the second term, power of y is 1. The third term, power of y is 1. Okay, so let's start. This is, and the power of the last term, the power of 1, which is constant, so power is 0. So this is non-homogeneous differential equation because each term has no same power. The power of first term, second term, and third term is 1, but the power of fourth term is 0. So it is non-homogeneous equation. So for the solution of this non-homogeneous equation, let's start with dy by dx is equal to minus x minus 2y upon y minus 1. We rearrange this equation in the form of dy by dx. Let's check. This is the case 2 because here the multiple of x in the numerator is minus 1 and the multiple of x in the denominator, which is 0. So minus 1 by 0. And for the second, b1 by b2, the multiple of y in the numerator is minus 2 and the multiple of y in the denominator is 1. So both ratio are different. Therefore, this is the second case. For solving this second case, let's take small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k, where h and k both are constant. Small dx is equal to d capital dx, and small dy is equal to d into capital Y. So small dy by dx is equal to capital d small y upon d into small x is equal to d capital Y upon d into capital X. Now dy by dx is equal to, we have to substitute small, in the place of small x we have to write capital X plus h minus 2. In the place of small y we have to write capital Y plus k upon, in the place of y we have to write capital Y plus k minus 1. Now put minus x minus 2y in the one bracket and the constant term minus h minus 2k in the another bracket. Similarly, in the denominator, we have to keep y different and the constant term k minus 1 in the second bracket. Here, we have to take both constant term are 0. So, minus h minus 2k equal to 0, and in the denominator, k minus 1 equal to 0. By simplifying these two equations, we get the value of k is 1 and the value of h is minus 2. Now, here both the constant terms bracket are 0. Therefore, the remaining equation is dy by dx is equal to minus x minus 2y upon y. Now, capital Y, we have to solve this equation as homogeneous differential equation. For that, assume capital Y is equal to V into capital X. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to V plus X dv by dx. Substitute this value in the previous differential equation. Therefore, V plus X dv by dx is equal to minus X minus 2y. In the place of y, we write here V into capital X, and denominator y, in the place of y, we write here Vx. By simplifying, we get minus 1 minus 2v upon v. Now, x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 2v upon v. We keep this v in the right hand side, so that which is negative minus v, which is negative v. Now simplifying the right hand side, we get minus v plus 1 whole square by v. So x dv by dx is equal to minus v plus 1 whole square by v. Now separate both the variable, and using the variable separable method, for by separating both the variable with the dv, we keep the function v upon v plus 1 whole square is equal to dx upon x. Both variable are separate, so we have to use variable separable method for integrating left hand side. We rearrange this term as 1 upon v plus 1 minus 1 upon v plus 1 whole square. By simplifying this term, we get the v upon v plus 1 whole square. We write v upon v plus 1 whole square in like this term because the integration of this term is much easier. In the value, there is no change in the value of the both the term. Now integrating both the side, we get integration of 1 upon v, which is log v plus 1, integration of minus 1 upon v plus 1 whole square, that is 1 upon v plus 1, integration of 1 upon x is minus log x plus c. Okay. Now put the value of v is capital Y by x. Here again capital Y by x. By simplifying this equation, we get the new equation, which is log y plus x upon x is equal to y plus x upon y plus x. Okay. Now by using logarithm rule, we write log y plus x minus log x plus x upon y plus x is equal to minus log x plus c. By cut log x both the side, or we can say by simplifying, we get the new equation log y plus x upon y plus x is equal to c. Now capital X, here in the previous we assume small x as capital X plus h. That's why our capital X is small x minus h, and value of h is minus 2. So x minus minus plus 2, and the value of k, which is minus 2, we already find in the C. Value of h is minus 2 and value of k is 1. Here small x is equal to capital X plus h. So capital X is small x minus h, and capital Y is small y minus k, and the value of h and k are minus 2 and minus 2 and 1. Okay, so we get the value of capital X is small x plus 2, value of capital Y, which is small y minus 1. By substituting the value of capital X and capital Y, we get the log x plus y, which is x plus 2 plus y minus 1, which is x plus y plus 1. Well, in the place of capital X, we put x plus 2. Again, capital X plus y is small x plus small y plus 1 is equal to c, which is the final solution. Okay, students, here in this lecture we take 3 examples. First, for homogeneous differential equation. Second, for non-homogeneous differential equation. For case 1, where the ratio of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 both are equal. And the last, for the case 2, where for the non-homogeneous differential equation, the ratio a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 both are different. Okay, in this lecture I show the steps for these all 3 methods and 3 examples. If you have any query, feel free to contact me. Thank you.